Hey everybody, this is your coach, Andrea Dickerson here with IOwnADaycare.com, where we connect childcare business owners with proven management solutions. For today's proven management solution, I want to connect childcare business owners to a classroom management system. My classroom management system that I'm going to teach you today will help you provide your teachers with an accountability system so that every single day when they walk into the classroom, they have an accountability system that you can effectively execute and measure for quality and success. So if you are interested in finding out some of my proven solutions for classroom management, give this video a thumbs up, stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
Will you impact your community in such a way where they gotta ask, what are we going to do?
The Jumpstart Squad will help you shift to the next level. Why not dream big?
What's on the speaker, what's on your TV, let's everyone put their hands to the plow, even in the culture that we just very slowly. Let's do it! Woo!
Dream it, it will happen for you. So why not dream big? Why not make your business one of the best?
Hey you guys, welcome back. I cannot wait to meet you guys live and in person. So be sure to go over to our website and get your tickets today. All right, you guys. So have you ever dealt with teachers who do not complete the tasks and assignments that you have for them in the classroom? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about lazy teachers. I'm talking about teachers who work well in your classroom, but yet and still, there are some tasks that they are not doing, and you would like to see them improve and get tasks done in your classroom. Well, I was there just like you are there right now. I experienced that in my classroom, and I wanted to shift my classroom effectiveness and proficiency to the next level. And I decided that I needed to go back to a basic system of a checklist to help my team accomplish this. So I went back into a basic system of doing this long, drawn-out checklist, and guess what, you guys? I still was not effective. I wasn't effective because as my business experienced turnover, there were teachers who had never worked in a commercial childcare environment who could not understand the rhythm and the tasks that had to come along with classroom management. So in today's video, I'm going to give you my solution. A while ago, I hired a team of people and we sat down and observed our classrooms. While observing the classrooms, we figured out that there was no rhythm that was consistent among our company culture in the classroom. So we decided to create a checklist for rhythm and habit. I believe that it takes 21 days to form a habit or 21 days to break one. So we created a daily work checklist or task list for our teachers. And this task list showed the teachers what to do from the time they came in chronological order to the time that they would leave. So what this did was it helped me to bring my teacher checklist under control and under management. So what this list consisted of, what the teachers will be responsible for during the morning administrative time, during the activity time of the daily schedule, while the children are preparing to go outside, what to do during lunch, what to do during nap, what to do during picking the children up from nap, what to do during snack, and so forth. So we created our daily checklist to flow with the day and to flow with the schedule of the day. So I hope that you have caught on to some key points to help systemize and organize your classroom just by creating your checklist to go along with the flow of your day. You know, rhythm is important. Rhythm is the key to working unconsciously in the classroom. You know, for you and I as childcare owners, it comes as second nature, but it may not come as second nature for all of your team members. So that's the key, to create your daily checklist or classroom checklist to match the flow of your day and the schedule. So my next accountability step that I completed was by creating our teacher accountability folders. So if you're interested in finding out more about teacher accountability folders, I want for you to stay tuned to the next video, and we're going to train you more on completing this system in your child care program. Well, all right, this is your coach, Andrea Dickerson, here with IOwnADaycare.com, where we connect child care business owners with proven management solutions. Leave your comments below. I will answer you personally and engage with you. To find out more about creating systems, go to www.andreasjumpstartstrategy.com. Sign up for a discovery call and let me determine if I have the systems and tools to help you create your systems and to succeed. Well, as I always say, if you manage the childcare business that you love, you will love the childcare business that you manage. Bye, you guys.